welcome back to my channel. And yeah, you must be thinking that why I have this kind of look like a ghost. Let me explain you in a second. So if you want to know what I'm about to do, then please keep on watching. Today I'm going to review some products. So I have already done my base. I'm reviewing this product which is by Conrad. I found this in the store and I was like, you know what, let me just try this product. So I'm going to review it just for you. I haven't even opened this box. I'm like really excited. So yeah, so I'm going to tell you what's inside the box. So in this box there is one mascara, one liner, eyeshadow palette, lip and cheek tint, the liquid highlighter, which I never use liquid highlighter, so I'm going to try that on too today. So let's see how it goes. Okay, but I'm so excited to open this box and just try it on. So let's get to my eyes first. And I'm not going to use any base for my eyes because I really wanted to see that how this color comes out on the bare skin. So I don't have anything on my eyelids. So first of all, I'm gonna take this fluffy brush. I'm gonna take that really light shade, which is, this shade is Buttermilk. I'm gonna take that and put all over my eyes just to set everything. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this mauve shade and I'm gonna use that on my crease. By the way, this is the fluffy eyeshadow brush from Eco, because they're really nice brushes too. So yeah, if you want to check them out, go ahead and check them out. They're really good. Okay, so it's pretty eyeshadow, by the way. It's matte, so which is great. Now I'm going to take this rose gold shade, which is the second shade, and I'm going to use that all over my eyelid. And for that, I'm going to use this flat brush. Okay, let me try with my fingers. I'm going to take that on my fingers and see how it comes out. Ooh, I feel like you should use this with the finger because it's actually come out pretty good, better than the brush. So I'm going to just take it and do that. Great. Now taking the same brush and gonna blend this out pretty nice so we don't look like a weird person, because we don't want that anyways. So now I'm gonna take this shade Penny, which is that one, the last one. Okay, so I'm gonna take that shade and gonna work outer corner of my eyes just like that to give a nice depth to my eyes, and just work it into your crease. By the way, I just want to let you know that this eyeshadow is having a little bit of fallout, so please do your eyeshadow first and then your makeup, like anything else you want to do on your face. So yeah, that's the drawback, but the shade is really pretty. I love the shade. I mean, I love the color and everything, but the fallout is driving me crazy. Alright, so that's how my eyeshadow looks like. Nice and pretty. I'm going to take the same shade, which is rose gold, and dab that in the corner of my eyes because it needs a little bit more love. Okay, so I'm going to take the highlighter and then work over there because I want to see how this highlighter looks. I would say it looks nice. It looks natural actually and pretty. Now I'm gonna take my fluffy brush and just brush out all my eyeshadows because we don't want that. So now I'm going to take the highlighter on the back of my hand, and with the help of the beauty blender, I'm going to use it on my cheeks. It looks nice. Honey! Oh, that looks pretty and super natural. It looks beautiful. Trust me. Because I usually don't like the highlighters, like liquid highlighters. But this one looks great. So let's back to the eyes. Now I'm gonna take that cinnamon shade and I'm gonna use on the lower eyelashes. Now I'm gonna take my handy dandy eyelash curler. Now I'm gonna take my eyeliner and just tightline my upper line and the outermost corner of my bottom eyeliner. Now I'm gonna take my e.l.f. eyebrow duo brush. So I'm gonna use that brush to make a liner on my eyes, and I'm gonna use the shade Auburn, which is super matte dark brown color. Lot of dark eyes going on, so I'm gonna pop the highlighter. So I'm taking the same highlighter, taking it on the back of my hand, just like that. I'm gonna use the brush, which is tiny brush, which I used for my outer corner. Dip it really nicely on your thingy majingy and just use it to the duct of your eyes. It looks pretty. Now I'm gonna take the liner. I don't want to go crazy, so just do like super thin black liner just to define my eyes, because I have already got the brown. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my eyebrows, you know, the process. And I'm gonna use the brow majingi bajingi shumajingi, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna brush my eyebrows just to spread the product, and it looks pretty natural kind of look, you know. I used to never like brush my eyebrows with this spoolie, but then I feel like it just makes everything nice, so why not? Okay, now I'm gonna use the lip and cheek tint on my cheek and on my lips, but first I'm gonna go ahead and use it on my cheeks. I don't know how it's gonna go, but hey, let's go. The texture is little bit, I don't like the texture. It's super chicken, which I don't like it. I meant it's super like a glossy kind of. I'm gonna take it on my beauty blender and then go ahead and use on my cheek. Oh my god, that looks so pretty! Oh my god, I am liking this. Okay, now I'm gonna take my bronzer and bronze my face. I'm going to contour my nose. So taking the same bronzer on the same brush. I have been using this brush from long time. I'm gonna take the blush one more time, I mean the tint one more time, use it on my nose because I love blushes on my nose. I'm gonna use on my chin because I love it. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my all natural lip liner, line my lips. Now I'm gonna take the lip tint. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my handy dandy all-nighter setting spray and spray it all on my face. Now, last but not the least, you know, after you spray your face, we're gonna use the mascara. Okay, so it's a really nice mascara. It gives you like super natural look. And yes, if you put like few more coats of the mascara, it's gonna look much more voluminous, which is great. Okay, so that's it for today, and if you like this look and if you like the review, then please give it a thumbs up and let me know what other brand you want me to review. I would love to do that. And yeah, like, share and subscribe, you know the drill. So bye, see you next time, and thank you for watching. Bye.